Hello, I'm Danny, a service coordinator at the Regional Center here in Sunnytown, California. At her IPP meeting, Sofia, a teenager who communicates without spoken words, and her family recognized a desire to focus on community participation. Because Sofia needs additional support, Vinny, her service coordinator, suggested they use personal assistant services to help Sofia better access her community. Let's see how that's going.
Oh, interesting theory, Pierre. Okay, Mavens, we'll find out next week. But before we go, there's one more item on our agenda. In addition to our regular book club meetings, the Mystery Mavens have a ton of trips planned this year. Basically, guys, we have an event every Sunday afternoon. So, if you want to take part in these exciting excursions, here is a flyer with all the dates and how to pay.
I'm home! Nancy, thank you so much for bringing Sofia home.
Oh, it's my pleasure.
Huh? What's that?
Mavens Adventures every Sunday.
And what's happening every Sunday?
The Mystery Mavens have book club outings every Sunday.
That sounds awesome.
It's $1,000.
Oh, boy.
I'm so sorry, mija. That's a lot of money. There is no way we can afford that.
Hey, don't worry, sis. We can get hats and make our own adventures at home.
Yes, I am Carlota San Francisco.
I guess.
I'll call Vinny on Monday. Maybe he can help.
Hey, Isabel. What's up?
Sorry to bother you, but we have an issue about Sofia's book club. They added more events, and we can't afford it. I'm already working double shifts.
Okay, send me the costs. I'll see what I could do.
Oh, gracias. Also, the events are on Sundays, so we would need Nancy on Sundays as well.
Let me see what I could do here, and maybe we'll meet on Thursday.
Okay, thank you, Vinny.
Good news, fam. I spoke to Danny at the Regional Center, and she reminded me that we are constantly improving our programs, and we have one called Social Recreation and Camp Services, which funds a lot of community activities for people with IDD. And this club fits the bill. Okay, so we have the community participation squared away through Social Recreation and Camp Services. Next is family relationships. Hey, Sofia, how's that new PEX board treating you?
I like it. Vinny.
Oof, I see you got my good side. Moving right along, we could also increase Nancy's hours to include Sundays.
I like Nancy.
Well, she likes you too, so if you want, we can do that.
Yes, please.
Okay, Isabel, if you and Sofia agree with all these service updates, then I just need you to sign here.
Are you ready for our adventure?
Okay, have fun. Oh, one last thing. Ta-da! What's the point of having a job if I can't spoil my little sister?
I love you.
Aw, I love you too. Now go solve that case.
The butler did it.
Today, the Ramos family and Vinny work together to update Sofia's IPP, addressing her evolving needs. Life changes, and when it does, reach out to your service coordinator to explore possible solutions. Your IPP is a living document. It can be updated at any time to reflect your current life goals. Remember, your circle of support strives to be person-centered in all they do, and that person in the center is you.